1 month, last 1 month, and that's it's going very good. So I would like you to introduce yourself first. So accordingly, we will start about this session.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Nick. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lina, and I am with my partner here, Anwar. He doesn't speak English, but hopefully I will do the translation for him. Okay.
All right.
We both are doing the MathBridge project and
Mm-hmm.
other projects as well. Um, so that's why I think how brother Wasam knows us.
Mm-hmm.
And we are also leading some groups here, and we are very proud of our achievement. Even though my project is not currently working well, but alhamdulillah, at least we can also still manage the group to be still in a good uh okay. So yeah, I understand when brother introduce us about WebKey. I saw the profile, and I saw also the event. Yes, I am aware that there was a launch in Bali like yesterday, or 2 days ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we are confident if we can run a project as well. But
All right.
we need to learn more about the project as well, though. So you can inform us
Sure.
more about it. Yeah.
Sure. So far, how what do you know about the web key? Any idea about the web key?
Uh,
That what?
I'm not really sure that I got it correctly. Okay, actually, that's why I'm learning more because uh, in the file I saw there is a smartphone as well. It seems that you're also selling the handset, the hardware as well
Mm-hmm.
with the I'm not really sure what's inside it. So so that's what that's what we are going to learn, want to know about it. Why do we need the handset if it's only the three things inside it? Yeah.
Okay. All right. So okay, I can start now. So you are done, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Sure.
So the web key is all about the Web3 world. So the web key is uh, creating access for global users to enter in the Web3 world. So I will go through with the presentation, and after that we can have some question and answer session. So accordingly, like you can put your questions, and I will be able to answer you. Correct?
Sure.
So all right. So I would like to share my screen and show you the presentation.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So kindly confirm me that my screen is visible to you.
Yeah, we can see it.
All right. So we can start it. As I told you, the web key is creating access for global users to enter the Web3 world. So first of all, we need to know about what is Web3 and what is the difference between Web2 and Web3, as we are into the Web2 world right now. So the smartphones we are using worldwide, I think 90% of the global population is using the smartphones nowadays. So the Web 2 and Web 3 phones, how it will be different. So I would like to tell you, in the Web 2 era, like we are providing our personal data to the different applications like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So such kind of applications are using our personal data, but they are not providing anything as they are using our personal data. But in the Web3 world, whatever applications we will use in that, so they have to create some income generation model for us. Either they will provide us from airdrops, or either they will have to provide us from some different income process models. So
Sorry,
in
sorry.
the web,
They will create what? Sorry to interrupt. They will create what? I didn't get it.
yeah, actually, in the Web 2 world, like today we are into the Web 2 world. So the smartphones we are using in this Web 2 era, so that smartphones have some applications like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and there are many other applications that you are providing them your personal data. So they are using your personal data, but they did not provide you anything that they use your personal data. But in the Web3 world, that the applications that you will use in this phone, Web3 phones, they will have to generate some income generation model for everyone by the name of airdrops, you can say, or any other processes they can create for you, that you can create income out of that. Like any applications you will use in Web3 phones, so they will have to create some income for you, that they will have to create some model. For example, I would like to give you the Solana Saga phone. Maybe you would have heard about Solana, right? So Solana Saga phone has come into the market last year, and they have provided the airdrops into that phone that works only on their blockchain. So the airdrops was valued, it's very less, and you got the free airdrops in that phone, but that value got increased in some time, and the people who bought that phone, they have got at least $5,000 from that airdrops. So the people who have bought that phone for $700, and that value increased up to $5,000. The people who got that phone, they have made $5,000 from that airdrops. So same way, the WebKey also providing you the many kind of airdrops, because the WebKey phone is can be used on different blockchains. Like Solana Saga phone only works on their blockchain. So first of all, before I say about the WebKey benefits, I would like to tell you about the DeepIn market. DeepIn full form is decentralized physical infrastructure network. The crypto industry is going to change in next 5 to 7 years. So the DeepIn market is going to increase because the decentralization phase has been started already. So the next 5 to 7 years, you will see the only decentralized programs will work in the market. All the centralized program will not be able to work in the market. So the crypto industry is going to change. Many physical forms are going to be generated in coming future. For example, now you will be able to see the Web3 phones, like Binance is working on the Web3 phone, Telegram is working on the Web3 phone, and Tron is working on the Web3 phone. In coming, maybe in 1 year, you will see these brands are coming with their Web3 phones. So this market is going to reach by 2028. It's around 3.8 trillion US dollars. That has been estimated, and so we have the market share. We need to know about this word Web3 era. So accordingly, we can generate the market share the way we work in this world. So the opportunity has been generated by the web key for this Web3 word, that if we come at the right time with the web key, so you will be able to generate a good kind of wealth and good amount of money from this project. So this is the web key development roadmap. In September 2023, that planning and strategies has been completed for WebKey, and January 2024, that the engineering prototype that they had designed the prototype phone, and their engineering and integration testing, whatever integration they had decided to put, so that testing has been completed. And in May 2024, that their software updates and the multi-chain interaction functions has been released. And in August 2024, that the small trial production, they have started to check the production process. Same way, move ahead. In September 18, 2024, that their pre-sale starts for prototype. So one of the prototype phones I also have, that I have got, I think, in November. So that phone also I have. But now in Bali, they have launched that the pro version. That name is WebKey Cooper 3. So that is a different kind of phone in Web3, because that is a deep in phone. I will explain you in next slides that what kind of benefits they are providing through this phone. So in 2025, their plan is to expand in Southeast Asia, Africa, and other markets as well. And they have more new products are coming in this year. And in 2026, their plan is to establish blockchain innovation lab in 50 plus countries. And same way, move ahead, in 2027, they are going to generate their WebKey public chain. So this kind of roadmap they have. So accordingly, they are developing. And I would like to tell you that this WebKey project is by Anubi Foundation. If you check on the Binance news, that in July 2024, they have announced the Anubi Foundation has announced that they are going to put $100 million funds for deepen innovation. So same way they have generated WebKey, and they have two more projects in the market by the name of OHM and Origin. So in Origin, they have one token called LGNS, which is running successfully around the globe. So now same way the WebKey is also around the globe. So they already in the market for last I think 3 years. Like OHM, the OHM model is already completed I think 3 years already, and the Origin LGNS that completed already 1 year, and still they are running very successfully. And now they brought WebKey. So I would like to talk about the benefits of this WebKey device. The major benefits I will talk about. Other small benefits, like I will share you this PDF. Accordingly, you can see and know. So the major benefits are like the first thing that I told you about the Solana Saga phone. In Solana
Correct.
Saga phone, there is no multi-chain functioning. Only that phone only works on their blockchain, only on Solana blockchain. But our WebKey device supporting different blockchains. So you have possibilities to get different blockchain airdrops. So here you will get many airdrops from different blockchains from different brands. And the other benefit is the second major benefit is they are providing you the Web3 store into it. So Web3 store, for example, few of the applications you can't access in Indonesia, few of the applications you can't access in India, few of the applications can't access in China. So all those applications cannot access in different countries. So you will be able to access all those applications from this Web3 store. And the next major benefit is that they are providing you the cold wallet and the hard wallet. So you will be able to store your crypto assets securely. So they have provided you this integration into this device. So these are the major benefits that I have shared with you. The other benefits, like you can go through with this PDF and you will be able to know, because these are the major benefits that I have told you just now. And these are the partners, strategic partners with WebKey, that who will provide you different kind of airdrops from their brands. Like for example, Alan Howard is there, Polygon is there, Coin 98 is there, Arcanum Capital is there, Aura is there. So these are the famous brands, and you can find it globally. So they are providing you different airdrops. So WebKey is going to lead the Deepin track, because they are only working on this development, Deepin development, and you will be able to see the WebKey as a market leader in coming future, because they have, they have provided us the good technology, and they have chosen the right time for the right technology, and you will see in the future they are going to be the market leader, because after Solana Saga they have come up with this device. And in coming future you will be able to see from Binance, from Telegram, from Tron, and different brands as well. So now we would like to talk about the token that they have introduced 2 months back. So they have a token named WKey DAO. So that token was priced at $4, and it's based on Binance Smart Chain. It was launched on Binance Smart Chain, and you can swap from Pancake Swap. And now we already have more than 120,000 users worldwide. They are from Korea, from China, from India, from Singapore, from Malaysia, from Europe, from different countries. So they have different kind of mechanism into it. It's not a like normal token. You will be able to know the mechanism, that how this mechanism can stabilize the market, and how they have already proven by the OHM model that they have introduced 3 years back. And again they have introduced Origin, and they have introduced LGNS token in Origin, so that also running successfully because of these mechanisms. They are using VE33 model into this, and that model has been successfully applied, and it's already running successfully in the market. So now we talk about this configuration. That this configuration, you can see the dimensions, chipset, operating system, and the resolution. These kind of configuration they are providing in this device. And the Web3 WebKey phone price is at 599 USDT plus, and but the price is $700 actually. You will get $100 tokens as well of WK DAO. So the price is actual $700, in which $100 you will get the tokens of WK DAO. Now they have come up with the 8,000 quantity of this phone. The first lot is 8,000, and now they have introduced 1,000 phones into that event that just organized in Bali few days back, and the 1,000 phones sold out within few seconds. That was the community that was waiting for long time. You can say like 1 month or more than 1 month, and when the sales has been started, and the same time few seconds all the phones has been sold out. And now they will come up again with maybe 1,000 or 1,200 phones, so people can buy from the depth, and in that phones there are 1,000 tokens are inbuilt by the name of airdrops, and the 50 tokens will be immediately released in that device. And if you sell those devices, so there are some incentive programs for you guys. So if you directly refer someone, so you will get 10% the device you sell, and the airdrop whatever they are getting, you will get 10% as well. And their acceleration value, you will get 3%. It will be the acceleration value will be based on the staking. So you will get through the staking, whatever staking of WK DAO will be there. And you will get indirect referral as well. For example, if someone refer direct, and that direct person will refer to someone, so they will get 10% and you will get 5% from indirect referral. And same way you will get 5% as airdrop and 2% acceleration value. So here they have introduced one liquidity hash rate pool minting protocol. To get the better understanding of this protocol, we need to understand the country system, how a country operates. Uh, in every country, there are some kind of banks are there. For example, in US, there is a federal bank. In India is a RBI, and in Indonesia, there will be some kind of bank. There will be a gold reserve for the country, and from there all the currencies are getting printed out and floating in the market. So same way they have a treasury system. From that treasury system they have introduced two kinds of bonds. One is stable bond and one is liquidity bond. So from that bonds they stabilize this token market. So I will explain you in next slide that how these bonds can help stabilize this token market. All right, so first, we talk about this staking benefit. For example, you bought the token from Pancake Swap. You get the token from USDT BP20, and you can exchange it into WK DAO token. And once you buy it and you can stake, and you will get this benefit, which is basically base. Every 12 hours, these kind of profit you will be able to get 0.2% to 0.83%. So every 12 hours, you get 0.2 to 0.83%. And now it's 0.4% coming in every 12 hours, which is coming in now. And the percentage is 0.2 to 0.83%. It will be vary in this. And the accelerated rebase, for example, you are using the device, so you will get extra percentage of 0.01 to 0.1% every 12 hours. So this staking profit you will get every 12 hours. And this kind of benefit, you will be able to stake and get this benefit every 12 hours. And other benefit is like you can unstake anytime. For example, if you need your funds back anytime, you can withdraw all of your capital, all of your profit anytime. So any other project, for example, other centralized projects, they always give you the staking period. For example, 1 year or 2 years, you need to lock in your capital, and every month you get the profit out of that. But here you will get all your capital, all your profit anytime you can unstake and withdraw. So that is the good point, I think, for this project. And the second one that I was talking about, the treasury, that I've tried to explain you about the country system. So same way we have a treasury in which there is a stable bond and LP bond, which helps the token to stabilize the market. For example, the stable bond are required when the coin price is going higher and the supply is less in the market. So to support the supply, there is a discount in the stable bond. So once you see the discount in the stable bond, the automatically community wants to buy at the discounted price these tokens. So this time the community wants to buy this token at discounted price, so they get extra tokens. For example, if you buy from pancake swap, you get for example, you invest $1000 and you get maybe now price is $58. Maybe you can get 20 tokens from pancake swap. But if you buy from stable bonds, and there is a minting cycle of 5 days to 360 days, you can choose which minting cycle is suitable for you. For example, you choose 5 days cycle, so you will get around 1 to 5% discount. If you choose 15 days, so you can get 5 to 10% discount. If you choose 30 days, so you can get around 12% discount. If you choose 60 days, so you can see the discount is 5 to 10 sorry in 60 days you can get up to 15% discount. Same way, move ahead. If you choose 360 days, you can get up to 45% discount. For so this way you get extra token. If you choose 360 days, so you get 45% extra tokens. So if you get 45% extra tokens, so uh, every day you are getting the extra staking profit. For example, you bought it from pancake swap, you get 20 tokens. But if you got it from this minting cycle 360 days, you get 45% extra tokens. So it means you have maybe 40 tokens or 45 tokens. So every day your staking profit will be more in every 12 hours, and every day your tokens will be released. Whatever tokens you get in 360 days, so it will be released every day up to 360 days. So same way it happens in the liquidity bond as well. For example, in the market the liquidity is low, like today the liquidity bonds discount is higher. So the people who want to buy from the liquidity bond today, they will be in profit more. So it helps the liquidity to be increased through this bond mechanism. For example, they the same way they have to choose this minting cycle 5 days to 360 days, and accordingly they will get the discount on tokens, and they will get extra tokens, and they can choose, and they have more profits from this minting cycle, and the liquidity will be supported from this liquidity bonds. So these are the bonds, stable bond and liquidity bonds, which helps stabilize the market. And for example, if I tell you one token, if you buy today, it will help you get 20 to 30 tokens, between 20 to 30 tokens in 1 year. So your one token become at least 20 tokens within a year. So if the price goes below than this, for example, if today the price of token is $58 and the price goes till $10, still you are making your capital up to 3 times at least. So here, this kind of mechanisms helps to stabilize the market, and even the price drops, you did not lose your money, even you get more profits. Even the price drops, you can get your capital up to 3 times in a year. So this kind of mechanism, like you will not find in any other tokens. So this is the treasury which helps balance the market through the liquidity bond and stable bond. So here in treasury, whatever you buy from the stable bond, for example, you buy $1000 from stable bond, so it will generate 1000 token. It will mint 1000 token from the treasury. So uh, once the tokens are minted from the treasury, but you will not get those 1000 token, you will get according to the price that has been assigned to you through this minting cycle. So this way, the rest of the tokens will be in the treasury, and in every 12 hours you get those tokens. Keep getting your tokens in every 12 hours. So this is the mechanism from stable bond, and every funds you put from stable bond, it goes into the treasury, and treasury is locked, is a backup. So once the price goes below, for example, 50% price drop in 24 hours, so this treasury funds will back up the price. And another way, if price go below the $4 that was the launching price of this token, so still that treasury will back up this price. So you are secured uh, in every way. So the mechanism, these kind of mechanisms has been assigned through VE33 model. That formulas are already given in that, and there are 100 plus smart contracts are there in this token project. So now we talk about the community rewards protocol. So this kind of rewards you get from the referral. For example, you are building the team, so this way you will be able to go get those rewards. So you can see the levels, first to 15 levels, you get this income. For example, if your team is building and up to 9 levels, so you get 10% from that 10 level from that 9 levels. And if your team is building up to 10 levels, at 10 level you get 5%, and from 11 to 15th level you get 1% of your team ROI. For example, your team is getting generated ROI in every 12 hours, so that ROI to ROI you will get that percentage, 10%, 5%, and 1%. To get this rewards, to get this income, you will have to fulfill two conditions. The first condition is like you have to put directs, 15 directs by $100 plus. And the next condition is you have to put your personal staking, you have to increase your personal staking level by level. Uh, if you want to get one level income, your personal staking must be $200. And if you want to get two level incomes, same way you have to put $400 personal staking. If you want to get 15 levels income, so in 200 multiples there will be $3,000 in personal staking. Then you will be able to get this staking, this level incomes, 15 levels income. And here there is a credit score that you can see on the screen, that if you put one direct you get 10 credit score. If you put two directs you will get 20 credit scores. Same way, if you put 15 directs you will get 150 credit scores. So this credit score uh, you need, because if you don't generate this credit score, you will have to pay tax to this system. For example, if you put only 5 directs, then you have to pay 10% tax. If you don't put any directs, so you will have to pay 15% tax to the system. So these directs are necessary, and the personal staking also necessary. So you will have to keep increasing your personal staking as well, and you will have to put your directs by $100 plus as well. Then only you can save your tax. For example, if you put more than 15 directs, so you will get the extra benefit, extra income. One of the China leader has placed 110 directs, so he is getting more than $5,000 every week from those directs. So this is extra income that you can generate as well by putting more directs, more than 15. So the next is ranking income. We can say this is a ranking income or community active assessment requirements. That is, once you are building your community, so you achieve some kind of ranks, that is from A1 to A9. To achieve those ranks you will have to work in two legs. So the first leg is big leg, and the second leg is small leg. So there will be two legs. One is called big leg and other is called small leg. So if you have 20,000 of USDT business in big leg, and in small leg you have 5,000 USDT business, so you achieve A1 rank. And here you get 1% to 15% every 12 hours from your small legs. Whatever small leg you have, it can be 5,000 or more than this, maybe 10,000 also or 15,000 also. So you will get 1% to 15% of that ROI, team ROI of small community. And to achieve A2, you will have to have 60,000 USDT business in your team in big leg and 15,000 USDT in small leg. So you will be able to achieve A2 rank. And here you get 11% to 25% of your small leg team ROI. To achieve A3, you need to have 150,000 USDT business in your big leg and 50,000 in your small leg. So you achieve A3, and here you get 26% to 35% of your small leg ROI. And to achieve A4, you need to have 400,000 business and 100,000 business in small leg. So you achieve A4, and you get 36% to 45% of your small team ROI. Same way, for to achieve A5, your business must be $1 million and 250,000 in small leg. So your small leg ROI, you get 46% to 55%. Same way you move ahead A6 to A9, the business volume must be increased in that way. And here you see the personal mobility. So once you achieve these ranks, your personal staking must be, for example, your A1, your personal staking must be $300. For A2, your personal staking must be $1,000. And to achieve A3, your personal staking must be $2,500. And same way, A4, your personal staking must be $4,000. And to achieve A9, your personal staking must be $15,000. For example, here, if you are A3, so in at A3 level, you get $300 plus every day. If you are A4, so you get $500 plus every day. And for example, you are A5, so you get $1,000 plus every day. So now total A7 ranks has been achieved. That four people has achieved A7 rank from China. And same way A6, there are some A6 from Korea, A6 from different countries as well. From India, we are just like going to achieve A4, and that's why the this opportunity is very huge. That the market is empty, market is vacant. So it depends on us how much market we want to develop around the globe, and how much market share we want to create. For example, if you are A9, you can make $10,000 per day at least, or more than that. So this kind of opportunity you have. Now I talk about if you have the mobile sales as well in your community, so you get 5% extra. If you are A1 to A9, so you get 5%. And mobile token airdrop, you get 5% as well. And the phone acceleration value also, you get 1% if you are A1 to A9. And the personal phone you are using, you can get extra tokens as airdrop. For example, you are A1, you get 1% extra token. If you are A2, you get 3% extra token. If you are A3, you get 6%. And if you are A9, you get 25% extra tokens as airdrop. So these are the three incomes that has been shared to you. So which is a, I think, big income that you can make out of it, and your funds and your community funds are secured because you can withdraw anytime. And the next is the trading turbo mechanism. This mechanism is also very strong. This mechanism, for example, you withdraw your funds anytime. You need to withdraw your capital or your profits, so that has to be done by this mechanism by 1:1. For example, you are making 5 tokens or 10 tokens every day. So you want to withdraw those tokens. If you want to withdraw that tokens, you need to have either USDT in your wallet, or you can unstake that amount has been staked on your personal wallet. So you can unstake and make USDT. So that 10 tokens that you are generating, that you can withdraw the same time, and the other, that token that you have done from the USDT, that will be there in the system for 12 hours, and after 12 hours you can withdraw anytime, or you can put in staking again. So this mechanism helps the market to stabilize, because we are into the open market. Every transaction is into at blockchain, because there is no centralization, there is no software based system. This is everything decentralized, and our DApp is working through Cloudflare system, and every transaction is going on the blockchain. So the next one is the trading slippage rules. For example, if you buy from the Pancake Swap this token from USDT, there will be no slippage fees. And if you sell it, because you can sell it anytime, so you will be charged 3% from Pancake Swap. And the next one is the pod destruction rule. There are two rebase rewards per day. As you already know that there will be two rewards, like every 12 hours you get the rewards. So every rebase, there will be a burning system, 0.5% to 5% burning of these tokens from the liquidity pool. So there is the ecosystem already in balanced form, because one way in treasury you see the tokens has been generated, and the other way you see the burning mechanism, tokens are getting burned. So the ecosystem will be balanced. So this kind of tokenomics you will not find anywhere else. This kind of mechanisms you will not find anywhere else, because anywhere else you see the token price drops, still you cannot make money. But here, even if the token price drops, for example, I told you that today the price of the token is $58. If this price goes up to $10 or maybe below than that, still you will be able to make twice or thrice of your capital, because every 12 hours you are generating tokens. So one token, if you buy today, it will generate 20 to 30 tokens within a year through auto compounding, because there is auto compounding, that tokens are getting generated through this auto compounding system. So this is the project session that I have shared with you. Here we are going to end this session. I hope this session you liked it, and maybe there are some questions for this session that I've shared with you. So any questions that you have, you can tell me, because